Hello everyone and welcome to Flipkart. Today we'll be exploring the new models of Midea Infinity series washing machines. The Midea washing machines are equipped with InfiniWash technology that retains the newness of your wardrobe while keeping them fresh. Now we are going to unveil the key features of this latest innovation, which comes in two variants, 7 and 8 kg load. The Midea InfiniWash machine comes with a unique baby care function that washes clothes at 90 degrees centigrade, thereby protecting your loved one's clothes and making them look like new and bacteria-free after every wash cycle. The advanced water sprinkler rib embedded with spray holes gives an extra edge to remove dirt and stains by jet spraying water evenly and ensuring stain-free clothes after every wash cycle. You can now customize your wash settings with My Cycle program, which stores user setting for future wash cycles. Now to activate this, just press and hold the speed button for 3 seconds and the program will remember your settings for future use. The Midea InfiniWash washing machine offers something new for every household with a big integrated LED display. The LED panel tells you all that you want to know about the functioning of the Midea InfiniWash washing machine. It also gives crucial information like an indication for remaining wash time, function type, speed and temperature. This InfiniWash Midea washing machine comes with a big size door of 420mm for easy access for bigger clothes and bigger wash loads with lesser effort. The Midea InfiniWash machine comes with a powerful motor with 1100 RPM in 7 kg and 1200 RPM in 8 kg, which ensures faster rotation leading to faster drying of clothes. This Midea InfiniWash machine understands different needs and treatment for fabric care and therefore comes with 16 wash programs that gives you a variety of wash options depending on your washing requirements. Midea InfiniWash machine consumes only 28 liters of water, lesser electricity and lower amount of detergent. Thus, a single load wash cycle can be washed in less than ₹3 only. This makes Midea InfiniWash front load washing machine a super saver. So come aboard the Flipkart family for a seamless purchase experience with quick delivery, hassle-free installations, detailed demo and assured brand warranty for all your appliances.